Um, I can share you. Can I share you in the Gmail?
My Gmail is okay. Wait a minute.
I received to.
Okay.
Near left in the room waiters.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Now my mm-hmm. Who is this? Miraj, where are you? I can't find your. I can't see your image. Head image. Hello. Hello, Miraj.
Hello, teacher.
Mm-hmm. Welcome to my room. Hello. Mm-hmm. Miraj Janshik. Okay. Miraj. Okay. There's only 2 students. And I also always wait for 4 students, okay? Mm-hmm. This semester, we are talking about the competition method, the introduction of the computation. This is a brief of the computer science. It's very not course, I think. So I wish everyone, okay. Okay. Hello, Alarke. Mm-hmm. Welcome to my room. Who is this? Who is this? Hello, who are you? I can't see your picture. Please display your image. Who are you? Hello. Who is this? Hello, how are you? Okay. Hello.
It's Daulat Amiri.
Pardon?
It's Daulat Amiri.
Daulat Amri. Okay, Daulat. Okay, Daulat. I can't see your picture. Please write your name on the screen.
Which screen?
Yes,
I couldn't understand.
write your name on the screen. So I am easily finding you. There's no name on the screen, no name on the screen. I can't. Yes, I can see your picture, but there's no name on the list of the conference.
Okay, I tried to find.
I only see the word is unknown user.
Can I see my name?
Yes, because the picture is recording now, so everyone I can see picture because this is recording now. Okay. Oh, to teraz masz. Please wait, there's some technical problems. So I'm going to take my lesson. But there is some technical problems. Wait a minute. Okay. Let's find the first students. Maybe there's 7 students, but this time I only find 4 students. Screen. There. Тұратыр балам, мен әзір. Өзім ашып берем. Басылған жоқ. Now I'm uploading the press lesson. we are going to begin our today's lesson about the computer technology. Please read. And always also, I upload my every content of this semester's file on the website, on the university website. You can also there find your about your. Can you see about? Can you see our PPT file?
In the system of Monitor.
Can you see our PPT or PPT course? This PPT screen. Okay. Did you see my PPT screen?
The screen? No.
Now you can see my PPT screen.
No.
No, no.
In the chat.
Chat?
In the chat, there's a file. I will share it. Did you see it?
I
Week
found-
1 contents.
I'm not. I
In
can
the
see.
chat, in the chat room, there's a file.
Mm-hmm.
Please open it.
I can see it.
In the chat. Did you
Yes,
see the
yes.
chat?
In the chat, I can see it.
Yes. There is the one file. Week 1 contents. Did you see it?
Yes, I see.
What? Yes. Open it. Жоқ болам басылған жоқ әлі. Күшіне тұр. Yeah. Okay. We're going to begin our lesson. Today's lesson topic is computing technology. And there's some information. The second screen. The second screen, did you see it? What is computer engineering? Okay, this is. The first is, you need something solid to stand on. What to do it? First is, applications make more sense if you understand programming. What does it mean? If you going to study about the application, you must understand the programming. This is first. If you, the second, third is programming makes more sense if you understand processors. What does it mean? If you take more time to study programming, you must study the processor. What is processor? Processor is the CPU. And the fourth is, processor make more sense if you understand the logic design. What does it mean? If you like to study processor, you must study logic design before, because it is very basic information of the processor. Please wait a minute. My children is ready to study. Please wait a minute.
Herkes kim президент?
Я сейчас скидываю. Открыть не могу.
У меня тоже не открывается, у вас тоже?
У меня вообще не видно и чат.
Я только в чате вижу и все, остальное оно не открывается.
Я увлечь шпион неизвестный пользователь в коридор.
Сәлеметсіз бе апай? Ерарыстың суреті көрінбей тұр, бүгінше көрінбей тұрады ғой деймін. Қайтадан бір компьютер жөнінде болғаннан кейін шығатын ұқсайды. Тек өзі көріп, өзінің аты ғана көріп.
Okay, go on. Sorry, my children is also studying. I'm sorry. Okay. The sexes there. Logic design makes more sense if you understand circuit stand, discrete mass. If you like to study the logic design, you also to study circuit and discrete mass. So this semester our lesson related to this concept, logic design. And logic design, okay, there's understand logic design. It's very important for us because it also related to the computing system. You know, the logic design is designed for the circuit, designed for the circuit. So you first to understand this concept is very important. Okay, go on. Circuits make more sense if you understand the transistors. You know the transistors. Transistors is the component of the computer, also the television, and also every electrical device has the transistors. Also,
Mikrofonu şişlandır.
So it is very important. But this course maybe we can't to study. We can't to study this concept because we have no enough time to study about this technology. Our technology, our concept mainly related this concept of logic design and how to design it, how to yes, it's very important concept in our computer system. So it is our requirement for students is to understand and deeply understand this concept. Okay, every understanding rests on others. Computer engineering and computing technology require understand the many levels and the ways they fit together. You know this. What it means? Computer engineering and computer technology requires to understand the many levels. What is the many levels? Many levels, it's also the software and the hardware. You know the software and hardware? What is the
Yes.
software and hardware?
Hardware
I
is
would have a problem.
outside,
Well,
software is inside.
One
the
by
computer.
one.
Hardware is outside. Software is outside the computer.
Outside the computer. It is called it is called hardware. Okay?
Yeah.
physical,
No,
Physical.
this is not
Physical.
outside the computer.
physical side
The
of it.
software and the hardware is together, okay? To complete some tasks. It is
I
related
would
to
have
each other.
I have a problem with
Oh.
opening your file. I couldn't open it.
Did you see my
We see it in the chat, but when we open it, it directs us to PowerPoint file, which couldn't open it.
couldn't open it?
Yeah.
Yes, me too.
Can you send it
Oh,
in our WhatsApp?
I can't open your presentation in chat.
Can you send it by WhatsApp?
you can open it in the chat, okay?
No, when we
No.
try to open it in the chat, it's direct to PowerPoint app. PowerPoint app couldn't open it. When we want to download it, open it with another app, we couldn't download it.
Couldn't download it.
Can you send in a WhatsApp?
WhatsApp, okay. WhatsApp, okay. Please wait a minute.
Do you have the
WhatsApp, okay. I opened the WhatsApp. There is no other person's name. I can't send this. Okay.
Can you spell your number? I could write you.
Okay, okay. Please wait a minute. Please wait a minute. Now, could you see my PPT?
Where we must see in group chat or WhatsApp?
There is no group chat. Please create one and join me. Please create one chat group and please join me. And then
Can you write your number, please?
My number is 78707
It's
707
yes,
200.
yes.
Okay, 9650.
Okay.
Mhm.
mini dürüst. Endi diğerini aytam. 11.
11 kesin.
Azaytı qo'shib emas bunda. Azaytı.
Azaytı 1, azaytı 1, azaytı 2.
Dürüst. Yani sizin bo'ladi. Ana 8. 8.
Share my screen. Okay, there's I find this. Here's my.
Kelesini aytamiz. Aylensa do'stlar, qarang. 7 qo'shib 4. Aylen aytamiz. Necha ming necha qo'shib deb aytamiz.
Informatic. Okay, I see it.
Yes.
Please wait a minute. I was in my. Here's my. Okay. No. Okay. Did you find my see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes, this is computing technology. This is this semester's course. Okay. And now is talking about this topic. What is computer engineering? What is computer engineering? There is you need something solid to stand on. First, you do these steps. First is we're always talking about this topic. Applications make more sense if you understand the programming. It is means you understand this applications. What is the application you always to understand to study about the programming. This means. And the program makes more sense if you understand the processor. It means you are going to study programming. You always to understand to study processor before, because processors is very important component in the computer system, and it also related to the programming issue. So you first to understand the programming before you to study the processor. And the processor makes sense more if you understand the logic design. What does it mean? Also, processor. You all going to study processor. Before you also study this logic design. And this logic design is this semester is a very important concept, and we also talking about more time to talking about this concept of logic design. It is very important. And the logic design is related to the circuit. Yes, so you going to understand this logic design. You before going to study circuit. It also related to our this semester's course. Circuit. What is circuit? Circuit is related to the electrical circuit, because you know the computer is only understand two numbers, 0 and 1. So circuit is only the off and on. It is placed two states. You know it is on and off. On represented by 1, and off represented by 0. So it is very important concept, and we also talk about this concept in this semester. Circuits. You know the circuits. You also understand that transistors. Transistors. You know, transistors is the main component in the computer system, but also the computer system. Not only the computer system, but also it is used to the television and the other appliance, other electrical device. So it is very important. But this semester we can't talk about this concept because we not have enough time to go this concept. Okay. Every understanding rests on others. Okay, their computer engineering and computing technology requires understanding the many levels and the way of it together. What is the main levels? There is the main levels is two part of the computer system. It is one is hardware and the other is software. You know, the hardware and what is the software? You know, and they fit together. So it is mean you also need to study the programming system, application system. You also need to study the logic system, the hardware system. This is computer engineering. And the third is introduction to computer technology. This is it is very brief concept, and we also studied this concept before last 2 years, before. So the first topic is the composition of computer. What did you think? The composition of computer has the the computer composed by many parts. What is the mainly part of the computer composition of computer? Did you know? What is the mainly composition of computer system? Who answered this question? The composition of computer. What is the main part of the computer system? Second, the central processor, because this is we have talked about before. So what is the CPU? Also, what is the central processor? Who answered this question?
Because CPU is the brain of the computer.
Mm-hmm. And then?
All the common.
Mm-hmm. Okay, your voice is very not clear. Please take a earphone.
The processor unit is main brain of the computer, which is central for all the processes and gives them some commands, which is usually want to do in the computer.
Okay. The third question. What is algorithm? What is algorithm?
Algorithm is like a plan which is in what queue has the computer think about the processes.
It is a process, okay? This is a process. It is used to what? explain the problem or answer the problem. It is a process. It is related to the computer system. Okay. So next, the application program. What is the application program?
It's a program which was written to this operating system with special plan of algorithms with to make a user make something special. Make something special. For example, our Microsoft Team is application program which could connect
Yes.
people from different locations to connect with each other.
Great answer. Like our team system, Microsoft Team system is for examples of the application program. Okay. Zoom and also like this. Next, programming language.
It's a computing device to perform specific tasks, such as Java, JavaScript, C++, and the others.
It's a language. It's what language? It's a machine language, okay?
Okay.
But not human language. Okay. We all use this program language to express our ideas into the computer and let computer system understand our mini idea to perform some tasks. This is a programming language. Okay.
Okay.
Next, operating system. Operation system.
It's an environment where we can build the applications or different programs. To the different operation systems.
Different operation systems. What's mean?
For example, application for Android or iOS.
It's an environment, okay?
Microsoft, it's an environment where our applications could work.
Look it on this stage, okay? So the operation system is the environment, is an environment. Everything is there, and we use this stage to overcome, to do some issues, to do some process. So now one of my students says that the environment is it's very correct answer. It is an environment. Everything is placed on this stage, and we use this stage to do some process, and overcome some issues. So the next is number system and arithmetic operation. What is number system? Then we are going to one by one talk about this.
Our computer couldn't understand us as we talk, so it's understood by the number systems when charge of electric is have or not. When we, for example, have electric charge is a 1. When we didn't have electric charge is a 0. So that's how our computers work in the physical part, in lowest level physical part.
Okay, it's very good.
Operation special. It's operation special to combine some directions of the electron have and they show us another answer after arithmetic.
Now, let's go to represent it one by one. The composition of the computer system is related to the hardware. The composition of composition of computer it have two parts. There are two parts of computer system. You know, the hardware and software. Okay, and this is also related to the hardware system. So all computer composed by two large systems, hardware system and software system, and there listed this item is related to the hardware. This first is the central processing unit. It is the brain of the computer. Okay, everything is there, held in there, and slowed there. So it's a very important part of the computer system, a component, a CPU, central processing unit. Okay. So the second is arithmetic logic unit, ALU. Arithmetic logic. What is arithmetic logic unit? Why we use this component? Did you know? Why we use this component of the? It is the component of the CPU. You know, it is the component of the CPU. Okay. Because CPU is divided into two components, divided into two parts. One is LU and the other is CU. Okay, the CU and LU is the part of the CPU. So why the CPU use this LU? Why?
Why we use CPU this way?
Yeah, why the CPU use this LU, use the component of the value. This arithmetic logic unit. Why is the CPU?
All the operations in physical part is in ALU. In physical parts, when we have electricity or not, all these operations works in ALU. That's why we should use ALU to work our computer.
Because ALU is responsible for the arithmetic operation, okay? Arithmetic operation. You know, what is arithmetic operation? Arithmetic operation is subtraction, divide, multiplication, addition, okay? You know this. This is arithmetic. Arithmetic operation is, you know, the subtraction.
Addition, subtraction, division,
and multiplication. Okay.
Multiplication.
So everything is held in there. The multiplication, addition, and the division, and also this operation is here. Okay. So it is very important part of the computer system. It's very important part of the CPU unit. Second is control unit. Control. Why we use this unit in the CPU? Why?
Why қайтадан естілмей қалды
Why we use this unite in the CPU?
алу
No, CU, control unite. Very good. Can you answer this question?
We use for
We use control unit to in the CPU to direct some processes, operations.
What kind of operations?
It's like if we take a computer's memory and some arithmetic and logical processes, like which is we give from the which we take from the outside, like from the user, and it takes some processes which is take it and direct this.
Okay, great. Birvet, can you understand it?
yes.
What is the control unite?
Control unite we use for direct in the process in computer.
The main is control, okay?
Yes,
This is control. Control
all
everything.
process.
Control
everything.
what? Control our memory, control our what? The input device, output device.
Device, yes.
Yes, it is control between the relation of the relations of the input and the output and the storage. Okay, you know the storage. So it is control everything. Control the signal send it to the unite the input device, output device. What time it is worked, what time it is not worked. Also, it is controlled by this CU. So the CU and ALU is the part of the CPU. It is very important. And this, for us, input unite. What is input unite? It is very simple answer.
input unit.
It is
devices that can
what? It is a devices
that provide data
that
to computer.
That accept any kind of information, any kinds of information from the outside into the computer. Okay?
Yeah.
For example, what kind of device is like the input device?
Mouse, computer,
Mouse,
scanners,
scanner,
microphones,
keyboard, microphone. Okay. Camera. Okay. This is input unite. Output unite.
Printer.
You see in on the display of our computer, like an answer for us.
Yes, it is answer system. Okay.
Yeah.
Answer system. It is displays our information. It is displays unite. So, like the printer, like the screen, this is the output unite. Okay. Storage device. It is save our what information, all kinds of information. It is responsible to save our all kinds of information, like the word, like the picture, like the video, so on. This is composition of the computer, the hardware. Central light. Just we talked about this topic. In general terms, CPU is referred to as the brain of the computer, as it operates and controls the various. Yes. Also, CPU acts as the. Okay, this is a central processor. It is 2 virtual units. Just talked about this topic. Algorithms and the computer. What is algorithm? Just we talked about this is step by step.
What is algorithm?
What is algorithm? Algorithm is a step-by-step method of solving a problem. This is algorithm. Okay, step-by-step method of solving algorithm. It commonly used for data processing, like the Microsoft Teams. It is also for examples of the algorithm. An algorithm is also used to manipulate data in various ways, like the addition, multiplication. Also, it store our information, and it also helps us to search some kinds of information, like the internet search engine. It is also the algorithm. So this is what is the algorithm? To accomplish this task, okay, program language. Just we talked about this program language. Program language is formal language, which computer is a set of instruction, because the program language is like the Java, like the
JavaScript,
Python,
C++, Python.
yes, C++, C#. Also, it is a set of commands, like the int, integer, like the input output scanner, like this. This is the set of instructions. This set of instructions programmed by a human to solve some problems. So programming language are used in computer programming to implement algorithms. This algorithm is also composed by yourself. Most programming language consists of instructions for computer. Okay, this is now the application system. The third talked about this is application system. An application program is comprehensive, self-contained program to perform a particular function directly for the user application. Okay, you also clearly see the concept of this system. Among many others like this, email browser like ours, Microsoft Teams, Zoom, and like this. This is also related to the application system. So next is operating system. What is the operating system? Operating system is the primary software that manages all hardware and other software on a computer. In this picture, we also clearly saw what is the operating system. Operating system is above the operating system hardware. It is directly touches the hardware. So the operating system is control our control our hardware, control our input device, output device, also control our storage. Everything controlled by the operating system, because it is close to the hardware. So it clearly sees everything on the hardware. You also this is the interface. This is the interface of the computer. and the interface of the hardware. You on the system, on the operating system, you clearly see everything on the hardware. So it is important. It is also an environment. Just one of my students says that that it is the environment. Yes, it is very correct answer. It is environment. What environment? It is very important environment because you are there, clearly sees everything. What? On the hardware. You clearly control everything on the hardware. You also delete the storage, and you also set some of the hardware's information. So it is a very important system. And application is over the operating system. It only located on the operating system. It also only uses the operating system to see the hardware. And this is user like me, like you. You use the application to on the operating system to see hardware. The number system. What is number system? Just we talked about this topic. Computers are classified according to functionally, physically, size, and purpose. Computers are classified. Classified what? Classified. Computers are classified. You know, it is a professional computer, and it is the for only what forward to the user's computer, the server computer, and the clean computer. Computers divided to so many kinds of computer. So you know it is also physical size, purpose, and functionality. Some computers' function is very complex, like the server, web server. Web server, you know, web server and the server computer is only read to everything. And the distant computer and the closer computer, everything is held by the server. The server and you know it also every time now about this information, it accept everybody's you know this application and some other operations to held on time. So the server is very great computer, I think, because its size is you know the some computers sizes so large, so is but nowadays the physical size is not important, not because you know the memory is very large. The main memory is like the 8 GB GMB like that. Functionally, computers could be analog, digital, and hybrid. And we use the computer as also the digital computer. And the analog computer is also used for the space. Space, you know, the space. Concept of data representation and okay. Let's take a break. It's also 1 hour 50 minutes. Rest 10 minutes after we go on this presentation. Okay.
Okay.
Take a rest. Take a rest. After 10 minutes, we are going to this presentation, okay?
Okay.
Қане. Қайсы тапсырма? Тапсырма не болды? Тапсырма беріліп қой дедім ғой. Ай, жарайды, сөйтіп отыр, беріліп отыр болмай. Қазір істеген не? 42,14 есеп 11 сантиметр. 7 сантиметр. 10 сантиметр өтіп жерді ма? Ойсеп біле жері ғой. Не слышите, его прибили, он жолдап жерді ма?
Я жолдап жүрдім, міне үстінде қазір сабақ басталыпты.
Бастап кетті ма?
Иә, енді қазақ тілі.
Қазақ тілі сабақ бастап кетті ма? Ой, менің талап тірі болып бара жатыр ғой өзі, а? Істей саласында міне мынаны қозғайсың да, мына бидесінде, мына ақшасында, бидесінде мына сол жақ көрдің ба? Басып тұрасың да, міне басып тұрасың да, биде оны сол жағын қоя бересің. Соны мына жағын басасың. Оң жағын басасың да, копи дейсің. Соны мына жерге әкелесің де, оң жағын басасың да, пи деген басқан болды. Көрдің ба? Содан кейін чару хуи дейсің. Содан кейін мына жерге барасың да, мынаны жазасың да болады. Мына жерге бүйтіп басып қойып, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 қойдың ба? 5 қойып, 1, 2, 4, 5. Чару хуи десің болды. One picture. Екран var екен.
Gelişti. Hadi gelişti. Vallahi.
Апай қаншасын жүгет?
Nasıl çürütedin? Ulan git böyle getirip çevireyim işte. Vallahi.
Ne?
14 çevir. 14. çevir.
What yazılı?
Masuklar ayta koy. Masuklar komutör. Ayta koy. Ballar жақсы. Қазір қазақ тілі сабағы 14-ші бетті ашамыз. Бұл әріпінің жазылуы. Бұл әріп қалай жазылады екен? Яғни бүгін бұл әріптің жазылуын білеміз. Бұл әріп бар сөздерге мәтінмен жұмыс жасап, сол сөздерді табамыз. Өткен сабақты еске түсірейік балалар, Апай, ал қараймыз. О дыбысы қандай дыбыс? О дыбысы қандай дыбыс екен? Апай, дауысы да. Бұл дыбыс бірде дауысты, бірде дауыссыз дыбыс. О дыбысты дауыстыдан соң және сөз барысында дауыстыдан бұрын келген о дыбысты дауыссыз болады. Дауыссыздан және сөз басында дауыссыздан бұрын келген о дыбысы дауысты болады екен. Яғни балалар о дыбысы бірде дауысты, бірде дауыссыз екен. Енді 20-ші жасылға қараймыз. Сәттесілерді түсірчіберіңіз балалар. Дағыстанға керек. 14-ші бет, аштықта 23-ші жаттығу. Мен оқиды тыңдап отырамыз сәлем. Тыңдап отырамыз. Жануарларды мерекелік киімдерін күн кеше Жетінші сынып байлық пен ақыл деген. En iyisi taşlarımız 17. diye. Ben bir dakika aşağı oynatsa 17. diye. Aşağı yüksünge bakalım. Yedi yıldan biriktirsin Cereyman. Şimdi oturalım. Ben 17. taşlarımız açtık mı? Bayramlık bir akıl. Yerine bir güç, şal, bir dolu şarkı bulay getirdi.
Жақсы болып естіп.
Байлықтарың мен ақылдарыңды көрсетіңдер. Так, что ожидаем мода? А сейчас комментатор.
Okay, everyone. Welcome back to our lesson. Go back to our presentation. Okay. Hello, everyone. We are going back to our lesson. I can see your name. I can see your name. Please, your name is?
My name is Akke Sisimbayeva.
Okay. Come back to our lesson. Everyone. There is only one. Okay, let's begin.
I'm here.
Okay.
I'm here.
I see you.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ерке бұлан.
Yes.
Averke, where are you?
I'm here. I
Mervet. Mervet, where are you?
I'm here. I see presentation already.
Okay, okay, I see you. Okay. We are beginning this presentation. This topic is related to our number system. You know, what is the number system? Number system is in my computer. You always studied it: the binary system, decimal system, and a hexadecimal system, and a octo system, like that. This is a number system, and I also talked about this concept of arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operation is like the addition, subtraction, division, and the what? Addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Yes, this is arithmetic operation. Number system. Computers, talked about this concepts of data representation in digital computers. Our system is digital. Our system is a surface system. Oh, please turn off the microphone. Turn off the microphone. Here's a very large noise. Yes. Concept data representation. What's the data representation? Because our number is like the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our words is like the representation data, I, my, you, like this. In a computer system, we can't express it. We must use one logical unit to represent this information, because the computer system only recognize two numbers. One is 0, one is 1. So we must use some kinds of logical unit to represent our data, because the computer system only recognize only two numbers, 1 or 0. So there is also emerged some kinds of words representation. Why we use data representation? Mirwit, can you answer this question? Why we use?
Please, can you repeat
that? Why we use in the computer system? Why we use data representation? This concept.
Why we use what?
Why we use this concept, the data representation in the computer system? Because its answer is here. Data and instructions cannot be entered and processed directly into the computer using human languages. Okay? Because ours sees all kinds of pictures, sounds, and some symbols. We cannot express in the computer system because the computer system only recognizes two symbols. What? Two symbols. One is 0, one is 1. Because yes, computer system is a circuit system. Circuit system. Circuit system is have two states. Okay, have two states. One is off, one is on. So our computer system must be to represent the data into circuit system can recognize this symbol. Due to this reason, it's important to understand how a computer together with this peripheral device handles the data.
Туалет, можешь выключить микрофон?
Sorry.
Please turn off the
Микрофон есть.
turn off the microphone. Yes. So, okay, you can also write this words, hence in its electric circuit, magnetic media, and optical devices. Reason for use of binary system in computer. Why we use binary system in computer? Because, you know, just we talked about this topic, because the computer system is the circuit system, electric circuit. Electric circuit have two states, only two states. One is on states, one is off states. So it only recognizes two number. On is represent to 1, off is represent to 0. So in the computer system, we only use binary system. Why we use the binary system? In there, you can find some answers on this question. So all forms of data in the computer system must be converted into the binary system format. Other reason for the use of binary system is why? More reliable. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. No. 1 plus 1 equals to 0. Like this. More reliable. Small because it's only had two number. One is 1, one is 0. So it is small and use less energy. Why is it use less energy? Because it's only had two states, on and off. So it's very simple system. So this is the answer of the reason why we use binary system in the computer system. This is the reason of this question. You got it? Understand this answer? Okay, next. Types of data representation. In the computer system, we also know some kinds of number system. Did you know how many number system in our world? In our did you know how many represent how many data represent data number system?
Decimal.
Okay, I am listening to you. Did you know? Is there any number system?
Decimal.
And
binary.
binary.
Hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal. Okay. We also studied the four kinds of number system. First, we touched this decimal system. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is there's only 10 numbers, so it's called decimal system. And then we touched in the computer system. We touched the binary system. What is binary? There's only two symbol, 0, 1. And then we also touched the hexadecimal system. It's there's 16 numbers from 0 to F. Okay, this is hexadecimal. And we also touched the octal number system. And there is 5 number from 0 to 6. So it is called the hexadecimal, the octal system. So we before we studied about this number system, only four number system. Okay, types of data representation. There is computers not only process number, letters, special symbols, but also complex types of data such as sound and pictures. It is in the computer system. It also represented by the binary system, or binary form. It is just we talked about this topic because the binary is very reliable, small. It can use very small storage to use to store the and it use less energy. So we use the binary system. Okay. Types of data representation, decimal number system. Decimal number system. Why we call this decimal number system? Why we call this decimal number system? Because the decimal number system have 10 symbols from 0 to 9. From 0 to 9. You know, so decimal number. The second is binary number system. Binary number system is here is a 2 symbol, 1 and 0. Octal number system, there are 8 symbol from 0 to 7, and the hexadecimal number system, there is a 16 symbol from 0 to F. And we are going to talk about every number system, how to convert into another. For example, decimal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to octal, octal to decimal, and binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to octal, octal to decimal, like that. This is the how to convert from one number system to another. Okay. First is
for each conversion between two
yes
number systems, we have a
To binary,
special
we deliver
formulas.
to onto
conversion between binary to decimal. You know
binary to
how to convert a binary number to decimal number. Also, reverse process, reverse direction. How to we convert the decimal number to binary number.
binary.
Conversion from binary to decimal.
We deliver
Okay. Did you get this process? We have already
Please
started
turn
this.
up microphone. I didn't listen. Alright.
Okay. Okay. Here is also the. I can't use the whiteboard. Okay, I know, I find this. How to convert the two number system, binary to decimal. Did you know this process?
Yes, we from binary to decimal or number.
From binary to decimal, then reverse direction.
Just forget we study it in second piece, but
How we can
We
show
actually have to
yes
multiple 2 with
the multiple 2 and
for the each numbers, like for each one and
for
for
each
each
2
two.
give stepping square. Yes,
Yes.
we
For
give
example, how many numbers we have in binary, and which and this we have to multiply 1 multiple 2 with like 7 or 6.
each symbol we multiple to 2 in the decimal number.
And in the end, we have to add all of them, and we will take the result.
And then the reverse direction, the decimal to decimal to binary. Decimal to binary. Convert
Decimal
from
to
decimal
binary.
to yes.
We delete to 2.
What?
Delete to делим на 2.
We delete
We delete to 2.
divide the number
Delete.
by 2.
What's mean delete?
Divide.
Divide.
Okay,
Yes.
Divide 2. Okay.
2.
And get what?
And get the
and the result we divide to 2 for we in the result we take 0 or 1.
We divide to 2 and we have
Да.
остаток.
We repeat this step, the steps until the result is equal to 0.
Yes.
Okay, I understand. So let's screw it down flavor. And the second is binary to hexadecimal. How to?
From decimal.
Second topic, converting binary numbers to hexadecimal number.
We divide to decimal.
We actually have a table with a hexadecimal system, like from the 0 to the 9. We can write in the from the 0 to 1001, like 0 is 0, 1 is 1, and 2 is 0, and just like that. And from the 10 after the 9 we have A, B, C, D letters.
This is a representative of the hexadecimal number, okay?
Yes.
Now, our question is how to convert the hexadecimal number to binary number.
With the table that was given?
No, from the hexadecimal to binary.
Yes, from the hexadecimal to binary.
Also with the table, we can do it.
What kind of table?
Converting table.
For example, here is a hexadecimal number is.
For example.
15F.
We multiple or each symbol
15F.
15F. We multiple to
yes, and
each symbol multiple to hexadecimal 16, and the plus result each result.
Please repeat again.
For converting from hexadecimal for this to decimal, we
no decimal. Here is the hexadecimal to binary.
A hexadecimal to binary.
Yes. For example, 15F. This is a hexadecimal number. You will convert this number, hexadecimal number, to binary. It is equals to.
In the hexadecimal number, 2 binary.
15. Yes, 15F. This is the hexadecimal number. Okay, 15F. And this number is binary system. How to represent this number in the binary system?
We should firstly no.
We can take it like in hexadecimal 1 and in binary it will be also 1, and 5 in hexadecimal, and in binary it will be 1001, like
1001.
and in also in the F, it in the hexadecimal and in the binary it will be 4 ones, like 1111.
So the final result is?
In the result we will take 1, 101 and 1111.
Please repeat again. 1, 101, 1111. Okay?
Yes.
1, 101. Okay.
Yeah.
Please wait a minute.
Просто вряд жаза саламыз ғой, сонда мысалы F1111 болса, сол 1111-ді жазасың.
Yeah.
Жоқ, каждый санға андай не код беріледі, и соны просто жазамыз же, да?
Келесі сан, допустим, F и 1 болса, значит 1111 0001 болады.
У нас же 15F, да?
Да.
Okay, I come back. I'm come back here. Okay, your final result is 1, 101, 1111. Okay.
Yes.
The 15F. This is a hexadecimal number equals to 101 1111. Okay.
Yes.
No.
Like that. Did you see? Okay. Like that. Can you see it?
No.
No.
Okay, like that. 15F.
This false result, I think.
The result is like that. Okay, this is right.
No.
Yeah.
No.
I can see it.
Why?
If
it is wrong, if it has so wrong.
I have result 0 0 0 1 0 1 0
please.
and
see you again. Your result is
0 0 0
0 0 0
1 0 1
0 1
0 and 1 1 1 1 1.
Просто ағай алдындағы нөлдерді жазған жоқ па? Тура тұрпайды.
Yes. Your result is like that.
Sorry.
So your result is like this. Okay. Final. It is. I am in the virtual space, so the result can't. I am in the
қатты жақындатпаңыз.
Okay. Can you see this? Final result is this.
Yes,
0 0 1.
Одинаковый.
Birдей
жауап, иә.
Okay,
Neyse,
I tell it. The final result is the second student says 001, 010, and 1111. Okay? This answer is correct. Because, you know, in the hexadecimal system, every number represents four what? Four binary number. Okay? In the hexadecimal, one number represent in the binary system represent four number. Okay, so 15F, here is always 12 number, you know, 12 number. The 1 represents 0001. You always say write it 1 because before the 1 is cut it, okay? So it is only 0001. You always write it 1.
Yes.
And second is the 5 in the hexadecimal system. In the binary system, it is represented for binary symbol is 0101. Okay, 0101 is equals to 5 in the hexadecimal system. And finally, F is 41. So the final result is 001, always 1, 01, 01, 111. Okay?
Yes.
So here is also, this is the octal system. Octal, you know the octal system. 6G, octal system. Do you know 6G? Okay? 6G, octal 2 binary. For example, 3, 7, 6. This is the binary number. 3, 7, 6. Write it. 3, 7, 6. In the binary system, how many is it? 3, 7, 6 in the octal system. It is 3, 7, 6. Yes. And it is in the binary system equals to binary system. How much is it?
Octal 2 binary.
0,
просто с тремя цифрами
0,
идет,
1, 1, 1.
1?
Oh, no, 0, 1, 1, 1.
1, 1. 1, 1, 0.
Yes.
Okay. This is symmetric.
Yes.
0, 1, 1.
Yes.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay?
Yes.
This is like this symmetric. This is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. It is very simple. And the third topic is converting hexadecimal number to decimal. How to do this?
Then we should multiplicate.
Yes, we are
multiplicate each symbol for
range
16, and we
multiply
give
to 16 and
plus as result.
Add to each other. Okay?
Each result. Yes.
Add to each other. Okay. This is very correct answer. The final is converting hexadecimal numbers to decimal. We are always talking about this. Yes. How to convert binary number to hexadecimal?
With table. We should make it. Yeah.
Like the 1, 1.
8, 4 или 12, 16 сан болады да, нөлдерді алдына қосу керек. И потом with table.
Okay. I got it. I understand. Yes. Like the, for example, write it. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1.
1, 1, 0, 1,
1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay?
1, 1, 0, 1, 1,
0, 1. Okay. 1101101. Okay.
From binary to hexadecimal.
Binary to hexadecimal. 16'lık.
Okay.
And binary to octal 8'lik. And binary to decimal. Each of.
To decimal, it's a 109.
This binary is in the hexadecimal. Equals to
decimal is 109.
Hexadecimal 6D.
35.
Hexadecimal 6D.
6D, okay.
And octal 155.
100.
55.
6D, yeah.
What?
Decimal,
And hexadecimal system.
hexadecimal 6D, yes.
6D, okay. In hexadecimal 6D.
Okay.
And by octal
155.
155, okay. And decimal
109.
109.
Yes, 109.
109.
Yes.
109. Okay. 109. Okay, it's very great. Yes. So the binary number is in every number system equals to 60, 155, and 109. Okay, 109. It's very great. So this is very easy process, but our task is use some kinds of language. Do you know some kinds of language? Java, Python, or C++ or C#. Which do you want? Use this program to write every process, and send it to me. This is your task. Did you understand my me? Did you understand my me? You use any kinds of language
to coding this calculate system?
Yes. You use any kinds of language. Which of the languages do you like? Use this language to program this process.
Okay.
You write this algorithm. Okay.
Okay.
The binary to decimal, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal to decimal, and binary, and hexadecimal to decimal. This process use what kind of language do you want?
They have to be 4 algorithms or only one?
Pardon? Say you again.
We have to write the algorithm for these processes, or there should be only one algorithm for all of them.
At least 2.
2?
Yes.
Okay.
Here's a 4 process. Okay. There's 4 processes. What? Yes, there's 4. You will choose one of them, one of 2. One or two. This is 4 or 2, and write its algorithm, and use the one of the language to write its code. You also write its real code, and also you also write its the real codes. Yeah, use real codes. Write down it. Okay. This is our today's course concept, and the third hour we do some similar task. I always share it. Our similar task is you also the similar task on the university site. University site, you open the university site. You can see our similar task 1, 2, 3 to 15, and I always share this. Wait a minute.
А можете повторить? Я что-то не поняла задание.
Біз конвертирование жасадық қой, binary to octal, соның, короче, бәріне код жазу керек. На любом языке, которым мы изучаем.
На любом языке?
Екі не жасау керек, екі программа, типа binary-дан octalға, и сол обратно жасау керек, octal-дан binary-ға деген.
Это домашнее задание, ты понял? Или сейчас нужно?
Домашнее задание.
А то я через телефон сижу. Сейчас сабах бітема или продолжение?
Не знаю.
Но это нужно сегодня отправить, да? Систему универ, да, он объяснил?
Сегодня нужно?
Верки қайдасың?
I'm sorry. My son is studying. Okay. Our similar task is like this.
Which day is that?
What are similar task? We are small similar task. PBT lecture and our similar task. Wait a minute. I opened our similar task. Where is our similar task? Where? All files. Okay, similar test. Oh, okay. The first similar task is like this. Wait a minute. It is opening. Okay. I can't open this file. I can't open this file. I transfer this file to your chat now. Where's my chat?
1935 жылы Батыс Қазақстан облысында туылған. Ол қазақтың белгілі
wait a minute.
аудармашы.
Okay.
Енді балалар, осында қарамен жазылған сөздерді қараңызшы. Қарамен жазылған сөздер қайсы?
Repeat. Seminar test. Okay. Seminar 1. Okay, I'm sent the file similar task to the WeChat. Can you see the? Okay.
Yeah.
Can you see the file? Open this.
Yes, wish. Nice.
Open this file. And now you do from the 1 to final. Do it and share with us. Share with me. Share everyone. Everyone. Now do this task.
Now?
No. This time.
Okay.
All for tasks?
First time you do the first one.
Okay.
After finished it, share us, okay? And if you have time, do second, do third, like this.
We have to
no.
notebooks.
Yes, you do the first. Do the first task in the similar task.
Ағай, сізге результат айту керек па или жазып көрсету керек па?
Жазып көрсетіңдер болады.
Қағазға, иә? Хорошо.
Тамақ ішеміз.
The first number is convert the 8-digit binary number to decimal. Digit binary number to decimal. The final result is what?
1 minute.
Write it down on the paper, okay? Write it on the paper and yes.
Проблема была технически случайно. Группаға жүргізіп алыпсың ба? Мен жаңа болмай қалдым да.
Oh.
Не істеу керекпіз? Мен жаңа случайно шығып кеттім да интернеттен.
Неге? WeChatқа жолдадым семинардың сұрақтарын істейтін. Сол WeChat ашыңыз. WhatsApp'та чаттың ішінде соны есепте әрбірін. Мәселен, from binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary, converted into other number system. Әрбір number system'дан алмастырасыз. Өзіңіз қараңыз, WhatsApp'тың ішінде жолдап беріп, чатта. Write it on the paper, and I will see its process. Okay? The result is not important. The process is very important.
Birbirine yardım etsin.
This is a seminar time.
Okay.
Bugün sabahta sürüşme dolu her aytamız, zaman aytamız, yesutan aytamız. Görüz. Ama ayağımız değil. Sürüşü. Dağlar varmış. Çıldırmış. Жақсы балалар, енді мынандай тапсырма. Қазір тыңдап отырамыз. Бүгінгі күн ретін жазамыз.
Can I show result? This my paper.
No. I only see the white paper.
This result.
Move.
Can you see?
Okay. Yes. The process is the process is correct,
Yes.
but I don't know the final result is what.
This final result.
Okay. For 4,000. 4,000. Okay. 4,2. Your final result is what? Mirwet? Your final result is
4,2,4,05.
4,05. Your final result
4,05.
is?
Yes.
Okay, Mirwet.
I sent to your WhatsApp.
WhatsApp? Okay, I see it. 4,2. Yes, like that. You write down this and send to the WhatsApp. It's very good. Okay. That's Mirwet, you always send it to the chat.
Yes, okay.
We send it.
Everyone sent to the chat.
Okay.
Mirwet, okay. Great. And the second task. Oh.
Ne var canım? Kızıllar yazabilir miyim? Ne gözüm? Ben anladım özünü. Yani ne gözüm? Ayna karar. Gözüm sıfır. Ayna karar. Gözüm sıfır. Ayna karar gözüm kırılsınlar mırılsınlar ağzınlar var. Yapmış. Yaptık biraz boşta. Bu aynadan. Aynadan neyini görürsün? Aynadan özünü görürsün. Özün qanday ekenini görürsün. Gözün qanday ekenini görürsün. Bak. Yine aynadan.
Okay. Bo'ldi bolam ya? Yeah. 705 542 88 11 kim?
Erkebon.
Erkebolan? Great. Next. Okay, 02. Great. Okay, next. The next question. Convert the following 8 binary numbers to decimal number by hand. You do A, C, E, G. Only do 4. A, C, E, G. Okay?
A what?
A, C, E, G.
Okay.
Also the binary number to decimal number. Okay, decimal. Now stop this computing. You do the question 3. Convert following binary numbers to decimal. No, this is also yes.
Question 4.
You do the third question. Third question. Okay. Third. Convert the following 16-bit binary numbers to decimal number. Okay. You do only to AC. Convert the following 16-bit binary numbers to decimal by hand. You do the first one and the third one. AC. AC.
Kaç doğru da istiyorlar. Gözümün aynadan özünü görüyorum. Gözümün aynadan özünü görüyorum. Benim gözüm ülkende öğretmen. Gözün sıfatları yok. Süt atırsın bu. Gözün sıfatı. Gözüm karakma. Gözüm burnum dik diyor. Ekmeğe. Kasım kalın da okuyayım diyor. Söyleyebiliriz. Doğru. Gözüm niye şunu gerek? Niye kafamı niye şunu gerek?
Altıncı tapsırma. Yeni gözüm kara. Sıcak bulutlu kuyruk. Onun ilk yemediyse. Ramin canısı ağır. Ücrette akıldan gıtında. Cirik müttürüşün geriye. Yüzümü sözlerden bana. Yok, burasımızı. Vallahi bu sana ya kamu sabahı Ем где-то пол, где-то я. Конечно, может, через решение. Осының барлық керекке түсіндірген, бірақ сіздерді сұраған. Енді осы хатты жазып, қазір бастықты жібереді ойында. Үйде жастап, қайсын жаттаймыз? Не үшін? Үшін. Ага, осыны істейді. Ал, сонда жібере ойында.
Benim oğlum bir cızsın. Oğlum ne de kozu cızsın. Oğlum ne? Sattar ustayım. Narsaları ustayım. Sattar ustayım. Şimdi ben yıkayamam, ben cürüyorum, ben sekreyim, da
O sırada
Sattardı. Ustayım. O, ustayım belli sıkışası. O söylüyorsun, benim mi? Жақында білесің ол жақында biraz sonra. Belli sıkışası o, ustayım. Жақын. Смотришь. Simon. Simon. Oh. Ayağımın sekreğim. Sekreğim. Çukuruyum. Hep жазып екі аяғым. Енді екі аяғым жазбайсың ғой. Едемет үйіне ма? Мен өзім тасымады.
Әке, құлақты жазған.
Андағы бар ғой.
Әке. Егергі құлақыммен деп жазған жоқпын ғой.
В WhatsApp посмотрите, вы так же делаете? I sent in WhatsApp. But I don't have result.
Мен аяқпен жүгіремін деймін ба?
Разве десималға айналдырмаймыз ба?
Is it correct?
Hexadecimalға аударды ба?
Бірінші hexadecimal, сосын десятичный.
Менде үлкен сандар шығып жатыр.
Я 2 миллион примерно. 2 миллиард.
Я 2 миллиард шықты.
Единственное, да, сан шықты.
Gerrit, this is the second task or third task? Third one.
Yes.
Third
A.
one. A. Third one A. And the process is very great. The answer is okay. 2. Okay, nice. Third one is decimal number.
Is it correct? Algorithm.
The first is decimal number.
We convert to hexadecimal, and
As a
the
decimal,
next step.
Next step to you use 2 steps. First step.
Yes.
From binary to
Convert
hexadecimal.
to hexadecimal.
Okay. And then.
Yeah, and the next step we
is
convert to decimal.
Convert to decimal. 10, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. The process is very correct. I don't know. The final result is the process is very correct.
Biggest.
The number is very big, biggest number.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
The process is very correct. I think there is no problem because we are also studying this concept before. Okay?
Yes.
So I think I believe everyone
we
do this process.
Yeah.
The lid. Wow. Yes. First A. Okay. Calculated directly from this binary to decimal. Okay. So there's a lot of number. 2 plus 2 to 2 to 3 plus 2 6 like that. Okay. Final result is also the large number. It's very big number.
Yes.
Okay. This is Algerki.
I have a large number too.
Yes, you are used directly from the decimal, from the binary to decimal. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. This process is very correct. Okay. Now this is our today's class and the seminar time. Thank you everyone to join my conference, and thank you. See you next time. My class is over.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye. Good luck.
Goodbye. Bye everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ondan ben o sabah dükkanımda zengin. Ye ki